In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wise to QuickBooks Online and categorize transactions. First, open your Chrome browser and sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. If you manage more than one company, double-check you're in the correct company file before moving on. Using Chrome helps ensure the best compatibility with QuickBooks' bank connection tools. From your dashboard, head to the banking section. Depending on your layout, it may be labeled Banking or Transactions, and then Banking. This is where you'll link new financial institutions and manage your bank feeds. Next, look for the option to add a new connection. You'll see a button labeled Add Account or Link Account in the upper right. Click that to open the list of supported banks and payment services. In the search bar, type Wise. You might see it listed as Wise or Wise Business. Select it from the results to begin the secure connection process. QuickBooks will redirect you to a trusted login window so you can safely sign into your Wise account. Have your Wise credentials ready and be prepared for any two-factor authentication your account requires. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the login. You may be asked to choose which Wise account or currency balances to connect and to confirm the date range of transactions to import. If you're unsure, choose a reasonable recent start date to avoid duplicating older entries you already recorded manually. When prompted, authorize QuickBooks to access your Wise transactions. This permission allows QuickBooks to bring in your bank feed automatically so you can keep your books up to date without manual uploads. Once the connection completes, you'll land back in the banking area with Wise listed among your accounts. Click into Wise to review the transactions that have been imported. New items appear under the For Review tab. Work through them one by one. If a transaction matches an existing invoice, bill, or expense, use Match to link them. If it's new, choose Add and select the appropriate expense or income category so your reports remain accurate. Add a clear payee name and a helpful memo. These details make month-end reviews and audits much easier. When needed, use Split to allocate a single transaction across multiple categories. If you see a duplicate, exclude it rather than adding it. As you categorize, you can also create a bank rule to automatically assign categories and payees for repeating Wise transactions, saving time in the future. That's it. You've connected Wise to QuickBooks Online and started categorizing your imported transactions with confidence.